Hey everyone, I decided that I was going to test fan 2 and do a video after I did an initial test on this one, and I said in the previous video I changed capacitors on both of these two cast motor Daytons. So I tested this one, and I'll show you what this one does. Draws a little more current than the other one. The other one I matched the value, but this one actually draws a little bit more current. They're both rated at 1 amp, so I'm going to do again 0 to high. Drew 1.05 and it dropped to 0.98. And our final draw is 0.96. Now let's check. This one might be going slightly faster, so I'm going to do an airflow test on this one. Oh yeah. Quite powerful fans. Definitely powerful. Here's go under it. This one really gives off a lot of air. This one, the blades were a little bit bent, so I straightened them out, but I cleaned these things up. But this one is not as balanced as the other one, but it's very close. It's nothing too bad, but alright, I'm going to do spin down with this one. Yeah, this one has a little more wobble to it, but nothing terrible. Let's just see what this spin down is like. Yeah, this one's got a longer spin down. Might have a longer little bit. But yeah, like I had a pair of contacts, I still have them, brown cast iron motor contact industrials. Okay. Alright. Time for the decade box. So, and each of them reacted a little differently, and performed. Here's 1, 2. Did it start on 2? No. Nope. Here's 3. Okay, this one starts on 3. Yeah, the other one didn't start till 4, so probably has better bearings, this one. Yeah, the other one stopped a little quicker, so. But let's see what it's drawing. 0.13 on 3. 3 microfarads. 4 microfarads, again, 0.19. And, of course, 5 with 0.24. And 6 with 0.3. Okay, 7 with 0.35. 8.4. All right. Yeah, this one does have a little wobble, especially at the low medium speeds. 0.46 on 9. 10.51. 11.58. 12 with 0.63. I'd get a slow low if I use a remote on this, a Fanimation remote, but I'd get a nice medium. 13 with 0.68. 14 with 0.73, so slightly higher current draw. Yeah, 6.814 would actually work good on this fan if I put this in my bedroom where my gold line is. 15.77, 0.81 on 18, or 16, I'm sorry, 0.84 on 17, 0.87 on 18, 0.9 on 19, 20.93, and if I go to high, so I could go a little over 20, 21, getting 0.97 on high, 22, I'm right on the money. Okay, I go over on 23, 24 is, 23 was just an inrush if I hit high. Okay, so a little over 20 microfarads is when I actually start to go over, so. Alright. And, but I'm just gonna see what it's like on the solid state at low medium. .35. 0.38. It is a little noisy. I usually test the solid state at low medium to see what kind of noise I get with the most power versus the fans whipping air, so yeah, I don't think this one is quite living room quiet, so yeah. And let's just see solid state high. I'm going to let it speed up, and it's drawing 0.95, 0.94. It's dropping a little bit, so there again, a little less on solid state high, but this fan number 2 actually does draw a little more current than the other one. They seem to be performing the same, but this one also starts on a little lower value, probably bearings. So, other than that, that's all I got for this fan here, and I'll see you next time with another fan.